Grabe yung Wilson, no?
Ayan yung ano, pressure cooker, diba?
I'm still concerned about what Orochi Maru said. Allow the boy to continue with his ceremony. We'll see what happens. However, at the first sign
Nice, son.
his power getting out of control,
Ayaw pa, bilang mas nung.
as you wish.
Ano masabi mo? Pwede.
Pumesto eh.
Ano naman masabi mo dun sa ano?
Pumesto.
Oo, yung pumesto.
Itang kita naman, yun.
Full battle intensity. This is not an exercise. There are 20 of you remaining. Matches. The surviving candidates from these 10 matches.
Yun naka-Skyblin, ano eh. Pinopokus din.
Sino ba yan?
Son. Ba't pa nahingiti ni Wilson na?
Incapable of continuing the contest. Naturally, those who are losing are urged to concede defeat.
Kitang-kita sa camera.
Furthermore, as Brock has a certain amount of leeway in judging the matches. I might occasionally intervene if a match seems hopeless. To save
Ito kami naman.
as possible.
Kami naman ah.
It's time to reveal the fate of the chosen for you.
Dito. Mas ko pa ID ko?
ID.
The names of each pair of opponents are chosen completely
Camera.
random. Before each
Okay lang.
match, these names will appear on the display behind me. As there's nothing more to say, let's begin.
Lay! Picture, Lay!
The names of the first two opponents will appear.
Tama! Stop na.